Here at Track and Field, Coach Niels Anderson. Coach, very solid performance at the Bethel Invitational last weekend, and now you head up to Superior this weekend. Let's talk a little bit about last weekend's meet. Some very solid performances from a lot of different people.
Yeah, the ones that stick out the most are, this was a big meet. This was 10 teams, a lot of our MIAC competition, and so we got to really see where we, where we're hopefully going to be able to score some points. And I guess our throwers showed up in a big way. Tyler Kircher and Maya Booker got 3rd and 4th respectively in the weights, and Tyler lifetime PR'd again, so he's just right there, and Maya just is on that crawl back into right where she was last year, and so she's starting to, I just have seen her in practice and places where I see the big ones are forthcoming.
And with Tyler, it's he's really continued to improve with each meet. Is that normal at this time of year, or is he ahead of schedule a little bit?
When you start doing this work that you've done for so long, to get back to your lifetime PRs at this point, I say is early, which is great. I mean, that's what you ultimately want. Mm-hmm. I mean, every time you step out into the ring or any type of performance, you want a lifetime PR, but those don't come around every day, and he's done it twice this year already, and so that's just a sign of how much preparation and time that he's put into it, and that really goes for a lot of he's just emblematic of what a lot of people are doing right now, and we're seeing some great performances. You
had mentioned that last weekend was a good chance to kind of rate yourself against other conference competition. Do you like where you're at right now, or is there still some work to be done? Obviously, work to be done, but
every coach is going to say no to that. But yeah, I really do like the direction that we're going, and some of the performances get me pretty excited about some possibilities for scoring some points, and so there's that. But this is definitely not the time of the year where we want to be complacent or content in any small way. We still got a lot of work to do, and we're still in a really heavy part of the training season, so nobody here is content or overly happy yet.
A lot of work to do in a short amount of time. The conference championships are really are right around the corner.
Come quick.
And this weekend you're back at it up at Superior in the Yellow Jacket Open. Talk a little bit about what you're expecting this weekend.
We love going up there. They have a great facility and they run a great meet, and so it's a chance for us to travel, which is nice. That's something that we don't do a lot of, but we will this year for our indoor conference. We have this big couple days of traveling that we're going to have, and for me it's a little bit of a precursor of the routine that we'll go through before we go up to Concordia, Moorhead. So that'll be a nice thing. And then I think the competition will be right at our level, and so we should really hopefully see a lot of success this weekend.
The UW Superior Yellow Jacket Open this Saturday in Superior. Good luck.
Thank you.